Installed 4. Try na lang. Other side and the other side. Complete this one.
Connection go down there.
Ada mo siblings dia. Sure ko na imo dia.
Okay, we're finishing the solar panels on the house here in Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. And I've got Alvin and the boys putting the inverter in, and then we're going to put the software together and take a look and see how it's working. There's Alvin.
The boss Alvin,
And my
the
wife.
boss, the boss and
Okay.
the boss among the boss.
Here in the Philippines, they like to take umbrellas and keep the sun off their face.
Good morning.
Good morning. And this is where they're working on the roof. I'll show the video of the roof later. It's pretty amazing how many breaks there were up there. My new house is only going to have one slant facing south, 2 roofs facing south, and we'll put all these panels on the new house. But for now, we got to build our new house, so we're going to use these panels, 18 of them, to power this house for the next year and a half, and then we'll move the solar system over there.
10 minutes. Input mo anti-reflux. Enable 0 0 0 0 success. Okay, standby mo.
So how many hours that you go standby before we on the?
Ay, sorry, bala na automatic.
Nako. Ang electric. So, kung na lugar ang electric karon or wala pa?
Ito na, oy, hindi na ra. Yan na kiba.
Ano na ra? On the breaker.
Yan daw ang aircon daw.
Di man na pwede ko duyog iyon mong breaker nga di mo iyon na duwa kay di man pud mo tingog. Di man to.
Really? Okay. So I go add a ladder. And then,
So, is that a point or is that 93? Point?
that's point 92.
He's a seaman pilot. Oh, what you call that one? Dry pilot. He's a seaman dry pilot.
Ay mo, nakita si Man Alidam.
Yeah, in a dry. You're a seaman in the dry land.
Taga-Thailand, manay ka ba?
Oh, dry land seaman na siya. He's installing this is the reality show. Hoy!
It's the moment to be sore truth.
Uh-oh, no truth. It's blinking, no blink. There you go.
Initializing transformer cube.
Initialize now. Almost there.
Tapos ba? Initializing for settings ako dama. Enter settings, set time.
Yay! Almost there.
Flip-flop,
This is solar on the top.
Success.
He said success.
1, 2, 3.
It's on now.
Boom!
Boom.
Sitting na ko eh.
Boom. He said
Ano eh?
boom.
Napa ni final eh. Final answer. Final answer.
Run fault. Why red? Is fault pa daw. So it's still not yet
Settings.
utilizing. He's
Dalilan lang,
still,
dalilan.
still on run. He's on the run. Look, napalong.
Ako nga reset oy. Ay sitting ka mga bato ko.
Alay. Ambot!